young truck drivers wanted. Apply at your Texaco dealers. This is the Texaco jet fuel truck. Children love the way it looks, the way it rides, the way it steers at the touch of a hand, like no toy they've ever seen before. The Texaco jet fuel truck. Grown-ups like the way it's built to last, of heavy-gauge steel. The Texaco jet fuel truck. It costs $5.98 and compares to toys costing much, much more. You'll find it only at your Texaco dealers. Get one soon. And remember,
trust your car to the man with the star for products you can trust. The Texaco Star.